Assalamu alaikum everyone, I'm Sir Mahdi, and you know that with last some days I didn't upload any types of video about anything. So the main thing or the main reason was actually I was a little sick because of something. So anyway, I'm back again and with the last part of the divisibility, and you know that we were working about this and our last part was left, and there will be this now. Okay, so let's get it started. So in this time we will learn about only divisibility rule for 7. Okay, so let's read, and of course this is tricky, of course a little tricky, and you have to know about this very well. So let's see what is this actually, and of course this is a little different than others. Let's read that first. A number is divisible by 7 if the differences between twice the last digits and the rest of the number is divisible by 7. So what did you understand? I know that if I don't show you an example, so you can't understand about this. So of course I will show an example. So let's see what example can be given. Let's write one here. So according to the rule, what is here? Divisibility if the differences we have to find the differences and then twist the last digit. So we have to, first of all, we have to write a digit. Okay, so why will we write a digit? We are writing digit here. That is what can be. We can write a very short number, 200. It looks like, well, 203. Well, it's Georgian. So here, between twist the last digit, that means we have to make it twist. What is the last digit? What is our what is our last digit? Our last digit is 3, so we have to make it twist. 3 and 3 is 6, so this will be 6. The last one will be 6, and then what do we have to do? The differences between twist and the rest of the numbers. What is left right now? We can see here very easily after taking this, after twisting this 3 as 6, the rest numbers are 20. So now we have to find the differences, this 20 and this twist number 6. We have to find the differences between. So what will be the differences? Okay, what will be the differences? That will be 20 minus 6 is, oh, why am I writing? Okay, 14. Now, if that number is divisible by 7, so the whole number is divisible by 7. Now, what we can see here? We can see this 14 is divisible by 7. So we can say this whole number is divisible by 7. Okay, so this was a very interesting and of course a little tricky things. Find out the divisibility of 7. So of course this was a very interesting, and this was the last part of our divisibility rules, and in the next part we will solve problems. Okay, we will do problem solvings on these, and my previous parts was just the basics about these, and also now we will learn problem solving on these topics. Okay, so you must need this, and you must memorize, you must remember these rules to solve those types of problems. So I hope you will remember till I will publish the problem, and after showing the problem you can solve this very fastest way and very smartly. So that's why I will say you focus on your study and focus on your skills of mathematics. Okay, so that's all. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.